Hi, I'm David Cox, attorney in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm here on the steps of the civil courthouse. Let's go upstairs to the law library and I'll tell you a bit more about me and my practice. Hi there, my name is David Cox. I'm an attorney in St. Louis, Missouri. I've been practicing law since 1993 and have had experience working both for the federal government and in private practice and in business. I've also helped form several businesses and nonprofit organizations. All of that experience I can bring to bear to help you in your case. Welcome to my website. Here you can find information about immigration law in the form of my blog, which I update fairly regularly with my commentary on what's happening right now in immigration law. You can also find various ways to contact me on the Contact Us tab. In addition, you can ask questions directly through the website at the Ask a Lawyer tab. Post your question, I'll review it and answer you via email. I like to say that I practice law 2.0. You can connect with me anytime, anywhere, using social media, texting, or the traditional methods of email and telephone calls. Clients like to text me most often because they can, as the questions occur to them, communicate with me instantly. And if I'm not with another client, I respond instantly. This communication is a way of being always connected to your attorney that distinguishes me from other practitioners. A majority of my clients are families who want to reunite with their family members. This could be a U.S. citizen who marries a foreign person and would like to get them a green card to come and stay in the United States permanently with the U.S. citizen. Or it could be someone trying to bring a brother or sister or a mother or father back to the United States to live with them. My wife immigrated from Austria and I filed her paperwork for her before I was an immigration attorney. So I know what it's like to go through that process without the help of an attorney. It's a scary process and I'm here to help. I know what it's like to be on the other side of that fence, to be afraid that you may not be together with your loved ones because of the immigration process. So let me help you do it right. I also represent business clients, people who are trying to bring workers here under the various temporary or permanent worker visa programs available to businesses. I can do anything in the entire range of immigration law that you would need help with. Some of my clients are also asylum seekers. They come to the United States and are afraid of being persecuted when they return to their country, and I can help them with their asylum cases. My office is located just a few short blocks away from the immigration office in downtown St. Louis, so it is easy for me to get to the immigration office to represent you vigorously in the immigration process. A lot of people ask why they should hire an attorney to help them with a process that is designed to be a self-help process. And here's my answer to that. The attorneys that assist people in filing their immigration paperwork are in immigration offices day in and day out. They know the adjudicators, they know the supervisors, they know the directors, and they can get to those people if there's a problem. In addition, when you're filing to a large filing center somewhere else in the United States, having information in the file that an attorney is representing that person can assist those adjudicators in giving more credence to the file because they know this is an experienced attorney. I'm going to expect to see that this filing is all in order. In addition to that, The American Immigration Lawyers Association, of which I'm a member, has a liaison process where if we experience difficulty with any part of the immigration process, we can go through our liaisons and actually talk one-on-one with the person who is creating the problem in the immigration service and solve your problem. So that's why you want an attorney on your side. It also will help the process go a little bit faster because attorneys know what the immigration service expects and can make sure that they don't ask for additional information after you've filed, something that is very common for people who file on their own. If you want a consultation, you can call me at the number below and I will be happy to answer your questions. You can also come into my office if you're in the St. Louis area and I will engage in a free consultation with you at that point. I do charge fees for my services, but I don't charge them for these initial consultations. So take advantage of that to get your questions answered and make sure you're on the right track. Again, this is David Cox, attorney in St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please email me, call me, or contact me through my website.